Hello from the American Muscle Car Museum. Today we brought out a beautiful vehicle, a 1968 Yenko Camaro. Don Yenko started building Yenko Camaros initially in 1967 and continued with a very small limited production again in '68. In 1968, as there was a total of 64 that were built. According to the various experts in the field, there's only about 15 1968 Yenko Camaros left in the world. This vehicle is the lowest known original mile Yenko in existence. Today it has 1,320 original miles. Have the documentation from day one on this vehicle. And how did it survive with so few miles? Well, the original owner of this vehicle knew he wanted to drag race the car, but he thought someday it may be valuable. So what he did is he actually pulled the original engine, which was a 427 V8 rated at 450 horse from Yenko Chevrolet, as well as the original M21 4-speed transmission, substituted it with what he called his drag racing outfit, and proceeded to run a lot of quarter miles up and down in this vehicle. He decided to go ahead and put the original engine and transmission back, and there it sat for the longest period of time. Finally, about 7-8 years ago, I purchased the vehicle. I knew it was a historically significant Yenko Camaro. This vehicle actually here, the 1968 Yenko Camaro, was sold at Muncie auction. Since it's such an outstanding, original, documented vehicle, was invited to the Amelia Island Concours show in March of 2017. This car at the Amelia Island Concours was voted best muscle car. It's brand new, was just a little over $4,000 in 1968. Today, you could probably multiply that by at least 100. If you enjoy this vehicle, check it out further on the American Muscle Car Museum website at AmericanMuscleCarMuseum.com, or follow us on Facebook or Instagram.